Well, my boys, as you guys can see, the above sell order we executed on the signal, and now we are on other trade. We received a signal holding this trade for more 3 candles or 4 candles. Maximum is 4 candles. If there's no spike, we're gonna close this trade in loss. As you guys can see, this is crash 300 index. It just dropped above multiple 3 spike above the signal we received. We opened the trade of sell, made profit, and look here guys, this is another signal. We opened the trade and waiting for market give us spike. Keep watching the video. If you guys want to have this system, check the description. The link in description, chat with our team. This is updated Holy Spike version 3.3. Yeah, my boys, as you guys can see, the market is moving. The arrow is 100% non-rapid, few, no lagging, no shit indicator. A signal will appear, you just go and open a trade, make the profit. What's the power of the system? You guys can see the previous days we did some live session with this indicator. All live session videos on our YouTube. You guys can check. Here you guys can see a stop loss, the above trade we booked, and I'm holding this trade in position the above one sell and the down one spike signal, and we opened one standard lot on crash 3 and keep watching guys. We're waiting for a spike. The stop loss will be 3 candles. Yeah, my boy. Yeah. As you guys can see, here's the massive spike and our all trades in profit. We made a good awesome profit on this. As you guys can see here, wow, it's lovely guys. Now I'm going to close this trade on stop loss. I'm going to set a trailing stop, and maybe there's one more signal and we make more money guys. This is how actually the power system works. Really, this is an awesome tool. This is an awesome spike killer available on Trades Profit Club. You guys can claim this. Thanks for watching guys. If still have any question, any other query, you guys can check the description, chat with our team. Thanks for watching. Best of luck guys.